I have the TappLock 1 Smart Fingerprint Padlock to review. I managed to snag a copy for the early bird special on Indiegogo. This is by a company named Tapp, which is a crowdfunded company. You can see they have a QR code back here in order for you guys to get the app both on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. I got mines in gunmetal gray, of course. And then the packaging in itself is very plain. And I'm hoping that I actually got the correct color of gray because it just said gray, but the questionnaire that I filled out, I specified gunmetal. Anywho, let's get into this, you guys, and see what they have in store for us after the long 2-3 year wait. Probably wasn't that long, probably was only a year, but still, we waited a long time for this product, guys. Okay. Let's just throw that over there. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Woohoo! It's a gunmetal. Yes. Anyway, you can see that they put a tramp stamp on it. It has the company's logo on it. It feels very durable. Like you can put it on your fist and just knock out everybody in the world. It's very heavy. Let's see what else they have in the package, guys. Once we get into it, we find a weird looking charger. I'm assuming those are magnets. USB, of course. It looks very much like the Fitbit Charge HR charger when you break it. And we get the instruction manual with the overview. I'm not reading that. So I finally figured out how to use it. Didn't read the manual, just kept pushing buttons. So you have to set it up using the app that they provide. You have to push this button after you log your fingerprint into the system. And that activates the device itself so that it can last for a year on 1 2-hour charge. The battery lasts a ridiculously long time, guys. And of course, what does it say? Made in China. Okay. So push the button, tap the lock itself, and then it unlocks. You don't have to. It's like it's 0.8 seconds of. That is how long it takes for it to unlock. It's ridiculously fast, guys. I'm loving this.